Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am your Ritu ma'am. Today I am going to teach you new family words. Are you all excited? Okay, let's start. Can you tell me which letter is this? Yes, this is letter U. And U says A. And this is letter T. T says T. Together it says ut. Together it says ut. Let me show you some ut family words. So first is k, ut, cut. K, ut, cut. And second one is h, ut, hut. H, ut, hut. And next one is ch, ut, chut. Ch, ut, chut. Another one is na, ut, nut. Na, ut, nut. Okay, now this one, this is donut, donut. Donut, donut. And next one, ra, ut, rut. Ra, ut, rut. Okay, this one, ga, ut, gut. Ga, ut, gut. Next is tar, ut, twat. Tar, ut, twat. Okay, now it's recap time. Can you read this word? This is cut. Next one is hut. Another one, can you read this? Yes, this is nut. Next one is gut. Okay, this one. Yes, you are right. This is rut. Next. Yes, chut. This one is. Yes, this is donut. Last is twat.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankids.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Hope you all have understand this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.